And as when I go and share with you some of these ebook ideas, I want you to start to think about, are some of these ideas something that I'm interested in? Is this some of the ideas that I know my audience is asking for, right? Because I'm going to share about 16 ebook ideas. So if you don't already, just get your pen and paper out because you're going to want to take notes, okay? But before I go into it again, guys, y'all know what really helps my ebook, what helps my YouTube videos get out to more people is when you like it. So if you can go ahead and hit that like button, I really appreciate that. And if you have not subscribed to my channel already, you definitely want to do that. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you're on Facebook, y'all know what I like. Sharing is caring. So if you guys can go ahead and hit that share button, I really appreciate that. Okay. All right. So let's keep going. So today we're going to be talking about 16 trendy ebook ideas. And these ebook ideas, I did the research and I said that these were the top, like in the top 10 category of popular best-selling ebooks in the categories that we're going to talk about today. So this is not something that I, was feeling and thought. This is based off research. I looked it up, okay? Looked on Amazon, and I definitely looked up what were some of the trending ideas. Now, starting later on in August, inside of the Coach Simplify Academy, we're going to be taking a really deeper dive into ebooks. And it's going to be it's inside of the launch labs that I like to do every week. We're going to be talking about ebook mastery. And inside of that, we're going to be talking about how I did the research. How do you look for ebooks and topics that are popular and bestsellers and going to generate money? That's going to be one part of the training so that you create ebooks that people want and will buy. So I'm just giving you a little snippet of some of those ideas. But again, inside the Coach Simplify Academy, doing our launch lab sessions, we're going to be taking even a deeper dive in how to locate those type of popular, profitable ebook topics. Okay. All right. So now that I said that, let's get into the first category in ebook ideas. Okay. So this is going to be women in entrepreneurs in business. This is the category that these are 4 out of the 10 top books that I found from my research. And the first one is going to be from Russell Brunson, and it's the .com secrets. And the category, so basically, let me just say this for you. The books that I'm sharing with you these are topics. These are popular topics. They're selling like crazy. But I also want to share what the book is about. Like, we're going to, take a deep dive of basically what is he talking about in this book? What are these books really about? And how you can start thinking about your ebook idea as well. Okay. So let me pull that back up. So the .com secret is really about growing your company online. And in this book, he takes you through those steps. So he really was the beginning of this whole digital marketing phenomenon that you see on TikTok, and people have these courses and they're talking about, hey, you can get master rights for this digital market. He really started this whole popular trend about that. And .com secrets is everything that you need to know about growing your company or your business, your products, whatever, online. Okay. The second book that I have, and mind you, I have all of these books because they were popular to me, and I thought that I have all of these right now on my Kindle. But the second book that I absolutely loved is Rich as F, right? And this is by Amanda Francis, and it's about making money. More money than you know you want to do with. And it has a lot to do with my mindset, how you think about money, your confidence around money, how to manifest money. So again, any book about money, attracting money, having confidence to what's the word I'm looking for? Having the confidence to generate the money, build a business that will bring you money is a great topic. The next one is going to be the one-page marketing plan. Now, what I love about this is that it's concise. It tells me that I don't need a marketing plan that is 20 pages. But again, the topic is how to get new customers, how to make money, and how to stand out. So this is very similar to the Amanda Frances book. But Amanda is really talking about the subconscious and what we feel about money. And in the one-page marketing plan, it's about a plan on how to get money, how to get clients, okay? The fourth book is The Financial Feminist. Master your money and build the life you love. Do you guys see the common message that's going on here? It's about money. It's about how do you make money. Now, make money is a topic that has been around forever, but they're all talking about how to make money in different ways. Russell is talking about how to make money by building a business online. Amanda Frances is talking about how you confident manifest the money that you want and you need. Who is this? Alan is talking about how to create a marketing plan that would get you customers and make money and have you stand out. And then Tori is talking about how to master your personal finance so that you can build money and build the life that you love. Okay? It's all about money and how to make that happen. Okay? And a lot of times we try to stay away from talking about money. But money makes the world go round. And some people, there are going to be a few people who say, oh, it's not all about money. It's all about giving back. That's true. But you can only give back when you have money. So that's definitely going to be a very popular topic. Okay. So let's keep going. The next category is going to be marriage and long-term relationships. Okay. This is a very, very popular category, and you can go in so many different directions when it comes to the marriage and long-term relationship. So you've got 4 essential keys to effective communication. This is about practice, listening, speaking, and dialogue. You also got the 5 love languages. Y'all, the 5 love languages was a really awesome book. But it also talked about how the secret to love that lasts, understanding a significant other. You also have communicate your feelings, what to say and what not to say to your partner. And then you also have coming together. It's the science of creating lasting sexual connections. Now, what do you see is the common denominator in all these books? What I see is communication. How do you communicate? How do you talk to your significant other so that you both are happy or you get what you want? Okay. And communication, I think sometimes we think of communication basically in business settings, right? How to be a better communicator, how to not be arguing all the time, right? But these are about having more love in your life, right? How to be a better listener so that you create an environment that's loving and supportive. And so if you're in the category about marriage and long-term relationships, it's more about how to have a better relationship overall. And so you see, these were the top 10 books. These were 4 out of the top 10 books, all around communication and feelings. Okay? So take note, if you're in that category or you love and have a passion for it, think about how you can, what type of ebooks that you can use about communication or stories about how you became a better communication, which helped your relationship. Okay? Oh, right now my brain is like, there's so many different ebooks that you can come up with, ideas with this category. The next one is stress management. Oh my gosh, we're all stressed out in some form or fashion, okay? And so stress management is another category, and we've got books like The Mindful Day, Ways to Find Focus, Calm, and Joy from Morning to Evening. Another one is Get Things Done. This is a really popular book, David Allen. This gosh, I think this book was written in the early 90s, I think, or at least 2000. It's been around for a while. And this is about stress-free productivity, okay? The next one you're going to see is called Burned Out. The secret to unlocking the stress cycle. This will help women minimize stress and manage their emotion. Last one was The Happiness Trap, how to stop struggling and stop living. These things about stress management, we're all stressed out in some form or fashion about something. Okay. And so if you can create an ebook that helps people manage your stress from being more productive, right? How to manage your time, how to just get rid of stress, right? We have a client right now who talks about self-care and how that is something that we need to do more of to release the stress. So, but I think self-care is such a general topic. How do we niche that down? Like self-care in the morning so that you are not overwhelmed on your way to work. Okay, that is very specific. It's just not self-care. It's about what you do in the morning. How about stress or self-care on a budget? What things can you do that cost less than $10 to do? Oh my gosh, or free. Some self-care rituals that are free. That would be a great ebook as well. Okay, so stress management, how people can reduce their stress management so that they lose weight. I mean, anything around stress and reducing stress is going to be a popular ebook. But the more you can niche it down to a specific problem that someone is having, the better it's going to be. Okay. All right. So again, guys, if this is your first time seeing me in your feed, I am Elise Michelle, and I help coaches like you build a coaching business online and create digital products. Now, what helps me continue to do these shows every Saturday for you is all I need is a like. If you have not liked this video already, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you're following me on Facebook, go ahead and hit a share. Also, if you have questions, put them in the comments. Let me know, is any of this making sense? Are you coming up with some ideas, right? Are you like, oh, that's a good thing, I didn't think about that? Let me know in the comments. So any type of feedback and engagement that you're giving me is really going to help the video get pushed out more. It's going to help my products and get seen more. So any way that you can help me, I greatly appreciate it. Okay. All right. So let's get back into it. All right. So the next category is going to be entertainment. And I think we don't really think about this a lot, that there are books out there that's just strictly for entertainment. I know I am a business book. I like nonfiction books. But lately, I have been reading a lot of fiction books that have brought me quite a bit of enjoyment in my life. It takes me away from different things, and I just get to imagine life on a different scale, and fiction books have really helped me with this. And so this is going to fall into the entertainment category. And so you have books very similar to just like a journal kind of thing. So journals are really, really popular. Yes. And this one in particular, which is a bestseller, is called The One Question a Day. It's a 5-year journal that is a personal time capsule of questions and answers. So you ask a question, right? It asks you a question and you fill it out. It's all for 5 years. This journal will last you for 5 years. That's entertainment. Thank you, Miss Sheila. Thank you so much. Miss Sheila says, this is great stuff. Hundreds of people should be here soaking up this knowledge and nuggets. Elise is dropping. Yeah, girl. Thank you. So the next book is going to be Tell Your Life Story. Write your own autobiography. Y'all, you're talking about entertainment. Some people just need to be able to tell their story more. And these type of books help people solidify their story. So if someone really wants to be an author, Like maybe this is the first type of book to walk them through. So you can create entertainment books like this. Another one I thought was really nice and I just never really thought about was the 101 one-liners and short jokes. There were probably 4 books about telling jokes at the top 10 ebooks, best-selling ebooks in the entertainment category. I am not kidding. I did not even think that people were buying joke books. Like, I remember buying joke books when I was younger, like to tell jokes, like corny jokes, and I'm still awful at telling jokes. But there were so many joke books in the top 10 category, right? And so you had dad jokes, you had mom jokes, you had meme type jokes, all of these type of books just on jokes. And I'm thinking about, Miss Sheila, I know that you are a playwright. And imagine if you did like a book just for jokes that playwrights could use inside of their plays if they wanted to be funny. And it could just be a book on jokes or comedy scenes or funny scenes that you can add to your play. I don't know. I mean, hey, if jokes are working, I'm all for it. Like, I can't remember jokes. It takes me a long time to get a joke, but they are very popular. Like I said, there's probably 4 books around jokes in the top 10 category, right? Miss Sheila said, wow. Yeah, like, wow. Okay. I would love, a little side note, I would love to be able to have a couple of jokes in my pocket, like when I'm speaking on stage, to sort of throw into my, when I'm teaching or doing a workshop. If I had a couple of jokes just to lighten people up, I think that would be a great little thing. Maybe I should do that more. Typically, I'm always laughing at myself. So, to me, my husband says I'm corny. And the other book, like I said, are going to be recipes. And this one is 365 recipes for every day of the year. Every day of the year. And so when I see things about recipes, I've honestly been thinking about, is there a way that I can incorporate like recipes and marketing of business? Like, I really, because I like the way recipe books are laid out. There's always what you need and then the instruction and then the picture of it. I'm trying to figure out how can I incorporate that type of layout in the same format, but for business, right? So recipe books are really popular. They've been around since the joy of cooking. They've just been around. So if you can niche down and create ebooks or things like that, like cookbook for a single person, cooking for one, right? Meal prepping for one person, or meal prepping with just chicken. Okay, something like that. Like that would be phenomenal. I'm a chicken eater. I'm always eating chicken, but I only eat chicken like two different ways, right? So different recipes for just chicken, right? But again, that's just some of the books that I came across, the different categories that are very, very popular right now in the ebook niche right now, the ebook category. And that's just a few